Boy, hi. John, how is the day? Good. Susmitara. Kamarj is the best cameraman of this MU economic department. Kamarj is the best cameraman in the world, and Imam Langlen, the best guitarist of MU economic department. Mom, hi. Mr. Bablu? Mr. Bablu? How was the day?
Yeah, wow.
Say something about today.
I'm very, very tired.
What kind of tire? MRF or whatever?
MRF.
Good. Thank you. Oh! Philip. Mr. Philip.
Yo.
How was the day?
I'm very busy, bro.
Mr. Kamai. How was the day?
It's boring, it's dull, it's make me tired.
What kind of tire? MRF or
It's
Z?
like it's
ZTL tire?
yeah. It's almost all kind of tired.
What kind of tire? Michael! Mr. Michael, how was the day?
좋은 데서 다 돼.